Hello primary 5 students. In the previous lesson we talked about light and we said that white light can be separated into 7 colors. Can you remember with me the 7 spectrum colors? The white light can be splitted or separated by the glass prism into 7 spectrum colors, which are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. We can say in this today we will talk about a new lesson, which is seeing colored objects. Our lesson today is seeing colored objects. How can we see the colored objects? How can we see the red object? How can we see the white object? First, we can say that if we mix the 7 spectrum colors, or mixing the 7 spectrum colors produce white light. If we mix the 7 spectrum colors, produce a white light. If we make a disc like this and we divide it into 7 equal parts and color the 7 parts with the 7 spectrum colors in the same order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. And if we put a pencil in the middle, in the hole which is in the center of the desk, and rotate the desk quickly, we will find that the produced color is white. The color disk seems white. So we can say that mixing the 7 spectrum colors produce white light. The 7 spectrum colors, which are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Then we will see how can we see the colored objects. As we studied before, that materials can be classified according to transmission of light into transparent, translucent and opaque. Can you remember with me what is the difference between them? As we said, the transparent and object allow light to transmit or allow light to pass through, and things behind can be seen clearly. About translucent, we said that it allows part of light or some of light to pass, and things behind can be seen but less clearly. First, we will talk about seeing color transparent and translucent object. If this object is transparent or translucent, how can we see its color? If you see this blue cup, it's transparent object. When white light, which consists of 7 colors, fall on it, we can say that this cup absorb all the light except which color? Except the blue color. It transmit it. If you see, the blue color is transmitted. Why the blue color is transmitted? Because the color of this cup is blue. So we can say that transparent and translucent object transmit the same color, that their same color or their color. If you see, it is a translucent object, or sorry, it is a transparent object. It absorbs all the color, and also the blue color only the blue color transmitted through it. So we can say that transparent and translucent transmit. Transparent and translucent transmit. If this cup is green, so it will absorb all the colors and transmit only the green color. If it is red, it will absorb all the colors and transmit only the red color. Transmit here means let it pass, allow it to pass through. So we can say that the object absorbs all the spectrum colors and allows its color only to pass. It absorbs all the colors and allows its color only to pass. What about the opaque object? It was about the transparent and translucent. What about the opaque object? Can you remember with me what is the opaque object? We said before that the opaque object is the object that don't allow light to transmit through it. The opaque object is objects that don't allow light to transmit through it, and things behind can't be seen. like a piece of wood, like cartoon paper. So how can we see the color transparent, sorry, the colored opaque object? The opaque object can divide it into white object, black object, or colored object. The opaque object may be white. What happens if we have white opaque object? The white opaque object reflect the spectrum light colors. It means that when light fall on opaque object and its color is white, it will reflect all the spectrum colors, so it appears white. White color, white opaque object reflect all. What about the black? Black opaque. Can you see this black object? It absorbs all the colors. It absorbs all the colors. No light reflected. No light comes out. So we can say that the black opaque object absorb all the spectrum colors. It absorbs all the spectrum colors. The white opaque reflect all. The black opaque absorb all. What about the colored opaque? Can you see this colored surface? It's yellow surface. When white light fall on it, it absorbs all the colors and reflect its own color. So the colored opaque absorbs all the light colors and reflect its own color. So the difference between transparent and opaque: if the object is colored transparent, it absorbs all the colors and transmit its own color. If the object is colored opaque, it absorbs all the color and reflect its own color. Can you see with me? The white ball reflect all the spectrum colors. The black ball absorb all the spectrum colors. The red ball absorb all the colors except red, its own color. It reflects its own color. The objects absorb all the spectrum light colors and reflect its color. And we have many give reasons in this part. For example, we wear white clothes in summer. We wear white clothes in summer because white clothes reflect all the colors that fall on it, causing decrease in feeling in the heat or feeling of heat. The white clothes reflect all the colors. Another question: we wear a black clothes in winter because the black clothes absorb all the colors that fall in it, causing the feeling of warmth. So the white opaque reflect all, black opaque absorb all, colored opaque reflect only its own color. Then we will move to the next part. What happens if you see a colored object through a colored transparent object? For example, if we have an apple, its color is red. What happens if we see it through a red transparent glass sheet and a green transparent glass sheet? If we have a colored object, what happens if we see it through another transparent object? For example, we have this